Oh, look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, how do I get down there? I've never been so glad to see shelter. It's just in the nick of time. Sun is gonna set here in less than an hour. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska. It was built by volunteers from the Mountaineering Club of Alaska. Just a whole bunch of odds and ends, equipment, whole bunches of tools in there. In here, got a little table and chairs, mountaineering books and a map, poker chips and decks of cards, trivia pursuit, little kitchen area, some pots and pans. Oh, there's just a little bit of fuel in there. Oh, that's a full can. Don't pee in the outhouse. Got it. There's a little ladder here in the loft. Oh, look, there's a little library there. A little loft to sleep in. Nice. Got some old mats and stuff. I am so cold. I think I'm gonna bust out my sleeping bag and get it set up in the loft. Hop inside for a little bit. Well, I'm glad I kept my gloves dry, but I think it's time to use them. I can't even get my fingers in those. Oh. Oh. Got these adhesive body warmers. Gonna use these. Oh.